On this James the Bike Guy, we're taking a look at a Salsa Fatbike conversion hub. So this is a front hub that's designed to be able to fit 15 by 150 front through axles or 9 by 150 through axles as well. So this is a pretty unique hub set that allows you to convert your bike and make it available to work with something like a Bluto or a Mastodon fork. So let's go ahead, pop it out of the package. But while I'm doing this, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, as well as check out the link to the James the Bike Guy merch, just in case you want to rep that you like seeing bikes and geekery. So what we have here is this Fatbike conversion hub. So this is actually going to be a forged aluminum hub here. So the hub shell is forged aluminum axle that goes through the inside there, and then on each end sealed cartridge bearings. So those cartridge bearings are definitely going to carry load pretty well, but for a fat bike that's in bad conditions, that also means that this is going to do a really great job of being able to seal out some of the elements. Now, it's going to have 150mm OLD or over lock nut dimension, and that means that this spacing is standard to be used with that RockShox Bluto fork or a lot of the through axle forks that are now available. The neat thing though is because some early fat bikes came with interesting specifications, fit these 9 by 150 quick release end caps. So you can actually get end caps onto here so you can run a quick release if you have one of those older forks that actually ran that way. Now the offset for the 6-bolt pattern disc brake is going to be standard for a 15 by 150 setup. And then you're going to have a 32-hole flange. So these are high offset flanges, 32 holes, so you can build up a very nice wheel set with a hub like this. So now that we've checked out some of the features of the hub, let's go ahead and see exactly what this will weigh. So on our scales here, if we place this hub straight into the middle, it's going to come in at 223 grams, which honestly is really impressive. Not just because of the weight, but because Salsa actually claims this to be 222, and I really love to see when brands get it right. So thanks for watching this video on the Salsa Fat Conversion Front Hub. Go ahead and let me know your thoughts on this hub set. While you're at it, be sure to hit the subscribe button, that way you can see more videos like this into the future. And then of course, leave a thumbs up. It lets me know that you enjoyed the video.